Microsoft's Way is an application that is rarely used, and now I will teach you how to use it. Do you want to turn your paperwork into a presentable report in a fast and easy way? We can help you with that. Type in Microsoft's Way on your Google Chrome and click on the first link. Log into your Microsoft account and click Start from a document. Choose the document you wanted to turn to your report and wait for a few seconds while it loads. Type in the title you wanted your report to be, and using this text box, you can insert whatever introduction you like for the topic. And using this plus sign, you can add another text box to insert a word or images for your report. Just like this, for example. Now, after typing in the text box, you can add images as designed for your text box. Just type in whatever design you wanted and the application will search it for you. This time, I search for background for mountains and choose this one. After you are done editing your text box, click the design at the upper left to check the progress of your work. As you can see, we can click also in the Design tab to check for whatever design we wanted our slides to be. There are multiple designs that you can choose from, ranging from colorful to minimalist designs. It's all up to you. But in this case, I wanted my design to have this black and white background with flowers in it because I like it. Now, to save and share your work, click the share button on the upper right and click anyone with a link. And click this box to copy it to your clipboard and send it to messengers or email. Or you can also click this Facebook button to share your work on your Facebook account. Like this, for example. I will share this work on my Facebook account. Now, wait for a few moments until it uploads and refresh your Facebook account to see the post on your timeline. And voila! The link is now posted on your Facebook account. Now, this is the end product of our work. Anyone who clicked the link we created will be sent through this slideshow. You see, it's quite entertaining to slide through as the image pop-ups compared to a plain Microsoft Word when you are reporting. To wrap it up, Microsoft's Way is an easy tool that can be used to make your reporting more colorful. It's like PowerPoint, but it takes a little time to prepare as you already have a document to be converted with. And aside from that, it can be posted on Facebook to be viewed by others and be used publicly.